Neural networks are a fascinating part of artificial intelligence, transforming the way we solve complex problems. But how do they work? Imagine your brain. It's made up of billions of neurons that send signals to each other. Neural networks work in a similar way. They consist of layers of nodes, or neurons, which are interconnected. Each connection has a weight that adjusts as the network learns, similar to how our brain strengthens certain connections through experience. To understand this better, let's look at image recognition. When you upload a picture of a cat on social media, neural networks help the platform recognize it's a cat. Here's how. The image is broken down into pixels. Each pixel becomes an input neuron. These inputs are passed through multiple hidden layers. Each layer transforms the input into a more abstract and complex representation. For instance, the first layer might detect edges, the next could recognize textures, and subsequent layers might identify shapes or objects. Finally, the network provides an output, like cat or not a cat, based on the patterns it has learned from many images during its training phase. This process involves a lot of math and statistics, but at its core, it's about recognizing patterns. Just like how we learn to identify objects by seeing them repeatedly, neural networks learn from a large amount of data. One of the most exciting applications of neural networks is in self-driving cars. They help the car understand its surroundings by recognizing objects like pedestrians, other vehicles, and traffic signs, ensuring safe navigation. In medicine, neural networks can analyze medical images to detect diseases early. This can lead to quicker diagnosis and better treatment outcomes. From improving search engines to creating personalized recommendations on streaming services, neural networks are revolutionizing numerous fields. In essence, neural networks mimic the human brain, making computers better at understanding and interacting with the world. As technology advances, the applications of neural networks will continue to grow, making our lives easier and more connected.